Hello, I am Vandenberg from Bridge to Value. We are a training organization providing solutions for individuals and companies to achieve their most important goals based on proven principles. We call the program Productivity Improvement Program, based on principles. We've been asked by many of our participants to share something about a training program, why it is so unique. Because they have such an impact in their personal life. It's easy. Our training program is based on 4 dimensions. Why is that? You have your mind, you have your heart, you have your body, and you have your spirit. Most traditional training programs focus on mind. That means that you learn all kinds of skills, all kinds of knowledge, but after that we see a couple of months later people has not followed through on it. They have not built up the muscle. Why is that? Because you need to operate in 4 dimensions. Because you have your mind as a steering wheel in order to control and to decide what are the values and what are the priorities in which you are going to lead your body and take action to make it work. Because no action is no result. And then your heart means that you're emotionally connected to things. Those things matter to you. You're not some secondary, they're not some secondary things that you're temporarily stimulated by. No, your heart's energy is tied to the thinking, to those priorities that means a lot to you. And then you have your spirit, which has to do with your conscience, with your deepest sense about what is right and what is wrong, and what is important in your life. So this process of 4-dimensional training is so important, because when people just sit in the program, they listen, they capture the information. We see studies reveal that after 1 month, 2 months, the information that is retained is only 10% or less. When people get involved and move their body, they can respond and they're emotionally connected. The retention of the information can go up to 90%. So this is why we are different. And another thing is when our training program stops, we start. Why is that? Because we want the people to follow through and to break through to make sure that they have achieved their highest priorities in a personal way, in a professional way. We call that the Greatness Challenge. The Greatness Challenge is a powerful, exciting journey that you do in a group of 5 or 6 people. What you're going to do is you contribute value to yourself, to your loved ones, to your family, and to the world. So in this journey of 1 month, we are on top of that. With SMS, with email, with telephone, we coach these people, we meet these people to make sure that everybody wins. Because if they win, we win. And that's the power of Bridge to Value. We want to make the bridge from where they are right now to in the future. Because what you have today is a creation of your decisions that you made yesterday. Think about it. Life is the greatest gift that we have. But the second greatest gift we have in life is the power to choose the direction of that life. No animal has that power. No thing has that power. It is a unique gift given to humankind that we truly are the creative force of our own life. Nevertheless, many people get mired up into this overlay of software which dictates their values and their goals over which they think they have no control. We've got junk mail, email, Hollywood, Bollywood, Facebook, internet, all kind of things that is playing on the people, making them control what other people want them to do. Look at the advertising market. Look at the music industry. It's all mind control and processing people to make sure that they do what these producers want. So we are here to help, to empower people to unleash their true potential. That's why people ask us, what is this gimmick what you do in the program? Actually, it's very simple. We tell there's 2 kind of people. We call them bangos. You do bango cat, and that is a choice. You want to live your life like a bango, that means that you're a victim of circumstances and conditions. However, if you take charge and you take control, you can move up to the level of eagle. That means you take control of your life, you take charge. You're not a victim of circumstances. And it's very exciting for people when they go through this journey that they understand at the end of this journey they are not the product of their circumstances and the conditions. They're a product of their choices, their commitments, and their responsibilities. So this is why we invite you to come and to experience this journey. As now the Selangor State Government has embraced this program and also embraced the Islamic version of this program. So we invite you to take a step to the new level of your life and to step up in a new journey of creating value to yourself, to your friends, to the world.